To show how easy the Flexcore pump is to work with in the field, we have put together this quick video. Obviously, this video is sped up, but in real time, this took 5 minutes from start to finish. To change the pump insert, you only need to remove 4 screws. The easy-to-change cartridge technology can be completed without the need for special tools and without special knowledge. The same is true for rotating the flange orientations. Only a minimum of screws need to be removed. Here Ken, our service manager, is showing the different possible options for the flanges. When the preferred flange arrangement is achieved, we can see how easy it is to reassemble the pump casing. Which includes reinserting the cartridge unit. Many of our customers like to have spare cartridges for quick and easy service. Remember, the benefit of the cartridge design allows you to easily swap out cartridges in the field and perform maintenance at your convenience.